Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dissect and review the latest and greatest tech products. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about, the DJI Osmo Action 4. This is not just your average action camera, it's a game changer, especially when it comes to low-light video. Stick around to find out why this is the best low-light camera on the market. Let's kick things off with an overview of its features. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a 4K, 120 fps waterproof action camera that comes with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, making it exceptional for low-light situations. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Now, let's dive into why this camera shines in low-light conditions. The large 1/1.3-inch sensor allows for impeccable image quality day or night. Whether you're capturing dawn or dusk adventures, you'll get stunning clarity and detail that's hard to beat. But it's not just about the sensor, it's also about the colors. The Osmo Action 4 boasts 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, giving you vivid, true-to-life colors. Golden sunrises and vibrant sunsets will pop like never before. Your audience will be blown away by the vivid brilliance of your footage. What's more, this camera is built to withstand extreme conditions. It can tackle temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius and record for up to 150 minutes non-stop. So, you can capture every thrilling moment even in the harshest environments. And speaking of capturing moments, the Osmo Action 4 offers an impressive 4K, 120 fps and 155 ultra-wide field of view. It immerses you in the action, whether you're riding epic waves or showcasing your skate skills. The slow-motion shots are simply captivating. Now, here's a nifty feature, the magnetic quick release. It allows you to effortlessly switch your camera's position, enabling seamless transitions between horizontal and vertical shots. You've got unprecedented creative freedom at your fingertips. No one likes shaky footage, right? Well, DJI has you covered. The Osmo Action 4 offers 3 stabilization modes for steady footage. Whether you're conquering rugged terrains or executing daring stunts, your recordings will be crystal clear and rock solid. Wondering what you get with the Osmo Action 4 standard combo? Well, it includes the camera itself, 1 battery, a quick-release adapter mount, and more. It's the perfect choice for first-time action camera users looking to dive into 4K footage. Now, you might be wondering about the price. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is available at a competitive price, considering the incredible features it offers. And hey, it's an investment in your content quality, right? In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 4 is not just another action camera. It's a low-light powerhouse with exceptional image quality, stunning colors, and robust features. Whether you're an adventure enthusiast or a content creator, this camera is your ticket to capturing moments like never before. If you're ready to elevate your content game, click the link in the description to get your hands on the DJI Osmo Action 4. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Product Critique, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Feel free to adjust the script as needed and add any personal touches or additional information you think would be relevant to your audience.